Hello and welcome to a video brought to you by Ms. Lady Bass. I'm in Guitar Center with a guitar that was given to me from my uncle who passed away, and I brought it in to get it cleaned up and tuned up and new strings and all that good stuff. So I got one of the employees here to play the guitar for me. I don't play the lead. Y'all already know I'm Ms. Lady Bass, not Ms. Lady. Not Miss. What's your name?
My name's Wood.
Wood?
William.
William. I was
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
okay,
No, you're
Wood.
fine.
All right, so he's gonna demonstrate. Sidekick over here just joined in. Just another customer. Okay. So, now what I need is just a little bit of that Tennessee whiskey.
Okay, I got it. Let me see.
Just a little bit.
Let the viewers know. Let the viewers know. I just learned this. I don't know the proper way.
They hear you.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right. So the way I had heard it was
Yes.
that kind of good.
You know what?
It's a beautiful guitar.
I hope I hit record.
Damn
Damn it!